people, and this is my 10th review of the day. Oh my god. Earlier, 10 was like a lucky number for me, and that's it. After 10, it just closes. But considering I skipped making videos for like, I don't know, 10 days, or yeah, more than that, or no, yeah, 10 days probably, like consecutively, like putting up 10 videos, two videos, one video, probably, yeah. But anyway, so in this 10th video, people, I will now hereby begin a very solemn session of getting y'all, my cute little viewers, also like to motivate y'all to start a YouTube channel yourself. Because people, it might seem like, what is this lady with long hair telling me to do? But y'all don't under we tend to forget this one simple thing, that certain skills are, they truly belong to us, and if we do not allow the world to see those skills, that's it, those skills will probably just die with us. Yeah, I mean, it's there's this very sad phrase, like uh, he died with the music still in him, or there was still so much that the person could give, do, be, but it's like the candle is snuffed out, so why am I speaking about this in such a sad way? Like, in my previous video, I spoke about just why I started the YouTube channel on after watching a video of my mom 4 years after her passing away. And my mom was a very strong person. But in that particular video, it's a hardly 2 minute, 3 minute video where she's wishing my younger sister her birthday. And mommy is actually breaks down and begins crying, midway. And as it turns out, that was almost the last birthday that my mom was, uh, I think at that point, mummy was already diagnosed with cancer, and so somewhere, I think at some subconscious level, she understood that probably she won't be around for the future birthdays to come to wish my sister. So it's, I mean, the funny thing about life is, as we are leading our lives, we believe that we will live forever, we'll stay forever. I mean, I'm saying this in the context of the skills that you have. YouTube and the world and the planet needs them, people. Everybody deserves to know the skills to learn. Like, it could be the most simple things. I mean, uh, I know of someone who's made a video on how to wear a sari, how to drape a sari, and personally, there are people who would sit and watch it to find out, girls, women, because not everybody knows how to drape a sari, and so it can be anything. You can know how to make dhoklas, Gujarati dhoklas, and so that's why, people, this is a video that is trying to, why you should start a YouTube channel. And of course, later, at a later point, or probably you might make money, and oh my god, you'll become famous. But all that is just secondary, right? I mean, it's a satisfaction of seeing yourself on screen, so to speak, and and the whole world planet is watching. And so that's what, even when I kick the bucket and I leave the planet, I want to leave behind so many YouTube videos, so that so many after me can watch it. And these many years that I've spent on the planet, they haven't been in vain. It's like I've, so on that note, people, just like as of right now, stop watching this video probably, and begin shooting your own little video. And then you just need to click on the YouTube button, and it will get uploaded. And I'm sure all of us have our email addresses, so that's how you get your YouTube ID also. And that's it, begin on this journey. Yeah. And it's an exhilarating journey to be on. So I hope I've motivated you a lot in this video. I'll see you in my next video in a couple of minutes probably. See, that's important. Like YouTube, you just need to keep at it, keep at it, keep at it. So on that note, thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.